Here at Team Beast, we have a brand new weapon for our research arsenal. It is the DJI Phantom 3 Advance drone. We were recently on an outing from March the 22nd to April the 1st, so we thought we would let some of our members that wanted to learn how to fly it to be able to get some flight time with it and just to see how awesome of a tool that this could be for us. This drone, we feel like that we will be able to use as far as being in the field and being able to check out ridges in front of us that we are hiking towards. If we are in camp and hear noises or footsteps around us, that we will be able to shoot the drone up in the air and see exactly what it might be. So just enjoy the video. If you have any suggestions of what you think that we can use for strategies with this drone, then swing by and visit us at www.bigfootbeast.com, or you can come to our Facebook page at Sawdust Beast. So enjoy the videos and think about field strategies that we could use with this.
This has been a Sawdust production.